Bonjour et bienvenue, this is La Modéliste and I am so glad that you are back here in my channel. For today's video, we are going to learn how to create the mini bubble hem skirt. So if you have already subscribed to my channel in the previous years, I've already created one bubble hem skirt tutorial combining two different kinds of circle skirts. But this time, we are going to learn how to create the mini bubble hem skirt using only one circle skirt. So what are you waiting for? Let's get this tutorial started. Allons-y! To start off, prepare your fabric. And first, fold your fabric from the straight grain, selvage to selvage. Creating two layers of fabric. And fold your fabric once more. This time, creating 4 layers of fabric. This is one of the ways on how to fold your fabric to create the full circle skirt. Next, get the angle between the folds of the fabric. And on this angle is where we are going to mark in the waist radius. Next, from the tip of the angle in between the folds, mark in your waist radius measurement. Mind you that my measurement is different from yours, so please use your own measurements for this procedure. If you are not familiar on how to get the right calculations for your waist radius, I have a separate tutorial for circle skirts, and better watch this video on how to calculate, plot, and cut different types of circle skirts. Next, from the waist radius, mark out your skirt length. With this kind of cut, you can only accommodate your skirt length measurement until 20 inches or 50 centimeters. Later, I will show you a different way to cut the full circle skirt to achieve a longer skirt length. After marking out your desired skirt length, you can now cut out the circle skirt from your fabric. And unfold your skirt. Next, cut through one of the folds. This cut is for the center back. So this illustration is the other way on how to cut the full circle skirt. With this cut, you can accommodate a longer skirt length measurement up until 45 inches or 114 centimeters. Kindly pause this video to fully understand the illustration. Next, from each fold at the hemline, draw markings that we will use later for the draping procedure. And do the same thing at the waist on each fold. When it is draping time, we will match these markings together to equalize the pleats at the waistline. Next, we will gather the hem of the circle skirt from center back to center back. To those who are using an industrial sewing machine, I will be using this P50 gathering foot to gather the hemline of my circle skirt. To use this, simply switch the stitch length from normal setting to the biggest stitch and tighten your thread tension. Next, gather the hemline. Using this gathering foot will not guarantee a full gathered hemline, but it will give us the pleats that we need to make this circle skirt into a mini bubble hem skirt. And this is the result of the gathered hemline. Next, place the waistline of your circle skirt onto your dress form and pin the circle skirt in place. And this is how the circle skirt will look like placed on the dress form. Next, match the center mark of the hemline to the center mark of the waistline and pin together onto the dress form. And do the same procedure, matching the rest of the marks. For the center back, simply match the last corners of the hemline and the waistline together and pin in place. By doing this technique, we will be able to distribute the pleats equally on each mark area at the waistline. And now we can finally distribute the excess pleats on each mark area. It's very simple, just place the gathered hemline onto the waistline and pin everything in place. But because we didn't get the full gathered effect on the hemline, we have to fold, pleat, and stack the hemline to fit on each area of the waistline. The hard part is over, so now give the hem of the skirt a fluff to give it a full volume. Et voila! So this is the mini bubble hem skirt toile. This is the frontal view of the skirt. This is the side. And this is the back. Anyway guys, I hope this tutorial gave you enough tips on how to create a mini bubble hem skirt with just using one circle skirt. And by the way, you can also apply this technique by using any kind of circle skirt. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you super like this video, please give me a super thanks. And if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, La Modéliste, make it sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys again on the next tutorial. Ambiento!